Today's international flight series is brought to you by cruiseline.com, where you can find reviews, tips, and photos from cruisers just like you exploring the world. Hello, all you wonderful cruisers and travelers. We are so happy you're joining us for the second part of our three-part series on tips for long-haul flights. If you missed the first part, you're definitely going to want to go back and check that out after watching this one. The order doesn't matter, but you must have all the tips. The more the better, right? So let's do this. Number 1, hydrate on your flight. These days, you can bring your own water bottle and fill it up in most airports at water stations. Your flight attendant will also be happy to either fill it for you or bring water to you at your seat to fill the bottle early in the flight as well. Not to sound preachy, but if you want to feel great when you land, be careful what and how much alcohol you drink. Alcohol will dehydrate you and mess with your sleep patterns, right? So if you choose to enjoy a little alcohol, double up on the water to rehydrate. Now, I've got to be real with y'all here. This one comes with a bit of a downside. 2 words. Airplane bathroom. Yeah, not fun, but a small price to pay for staying hydrated. Number 2. Pack a sleep mask and a little travel pillow in your carry-on. Initially, it may seem like it's not worth it, but if you're like me, these 2 things will prove invaluable after 6 or 7 hours on a plane. If you don't have a neck pillow, don't worry, just about every airport sells them. If you'd rather not buy a neck pillow for whatever reason, a neutral wrap or cozy scarf goes a long way. A wrap like that has about 5 uses. You can use it as a pillow, warmth for your upper body, your lower body. You can keep a child warm and snuggle with them, cover your head, and even use it at your destination for some sassy style. Number 3, I've said this before, but it bears repeating. It will take a little research, but you're going to have to find out whether it's best to get cash at an ATM or in the airport prior to your trip. You can check with your bank or credit union on exchange rates, but most likely an airport ATM will give you the best exchange rate. Head straight for an ATM before you leave that airport. If you're visiting multiple countries on your trip, it may be less of a hassle to order a small amount of currency from your bank or credit union than to get more when you're in the country. Just watch out for those exchange counters. They are often not your best bet for a healthy exchange rate. Number 4, earplugs, noise-canceling headphones, or just good quality headphones can be an excellent investment for some travelers. The noise on airplanes can really wear some people down. If this applies to you, make the investment before you leave. Of course, headphones can be dual purpose. Not only can they block the troublesome kind of low rumble of the plane, but you could also listen to a soothing collection of your favorite music. In some cases, they'll plug into the plane's little media system, offering a much better audio experience for in-flight movies. It sure beats those headphones that they pass out, right? Number 5, if you're traveling with children or a hangry grown-up like myself, it's a good idea to pack snacks. I don't know a kid or a girl like me who can survive a hectic, long-haul flight on pretzels. And oftentimes, kids are on their own little feeding schedules, right? Waiting for the in-flight meal or snack may not line up with their hunger. Granola bars, beef jerky, maybe nuts can be a great option. If your airline allows it, fruit and veggies are also really nice to have on hand and keep the little ones' digestive systems on track after prolonged periods of sitting, if you catch my drift. Okay, we're going to wrap this one up there for now. I truly hope that you have enjoyed these long flight travel tips. We'll have more in the next episode. Oh, and please share your own travel tips in the comments below. We always appreciate the great tips we get in the comments. Many, many thanks for all you do to support our channel. Until next time, we'll see you on the high seas. Bye-bye.